Hi and what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon poppy seed cake, and it's going to be delicious and very flavorful from the lemon and very fluffy. As always, my cakes are always fluffy. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and amazing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting and for always watching my videos. So without further ado, I'm going to get started, and you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So to get started, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your baking tin with parchment paper. If you don't have the parchment paper, you can simply just oil your pan and add flour, tap out the excess, and you're good to go. Yeah, so here I have my margarine. So to my margarine, I'm going to add sugar. Then I'm going to cream this until very fluffy. When the sugar and margarine are well combined, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Then I'm going to cream this until smooth. Scrape the sides of the bowl so that everything can be well combined. When everything is nice and creamy, now I'm going to be zesting. I want a tablespoon of lemon zest, so I'm going to be scraping my lemons on a grater to get the green part, not the white part. To get the tablespoon of lemon zest, I'm going to be using 3 lemons. Once done with the lemon zest, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm eyeballing. And then using a spatula, I'm going to mix everything until combined. You can spot the lemon zest. This is going to be so delicious. Then I'm going to be squeezing in juice of half a lemon. That is about half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mixing using my spatula to combine. Next, I'm going to be adding in my dry ingredients. So I'm going to be adding salt. So I'll be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'll be adding baking powder. So next, I'll be adding my flour. So I'll add a little bit of flour, and then I'll mix in. Add a little bit of milk. So the milk and flour I'll be adding in intervals. the sides of the bowl. Make sure you go to the bottom of the bowl so that any excess flour can be mixed into the bowl. Add some milk. At this point, I'm going to use my spatula because I don't want any milk splatter. Then I'll add in the rest of the flour. Mixing. Rest of the milk. And then I'm going to whip up my batter using my mixer for the last time, just to smoothen things up. So a very quick tip, don't overmix the batter, because once you overmix the batter, the cake might break on top, or the cake will not be moist and fluffy. So here I have my poppy seeds. So these poppy seeds, I bought them at my local supermarket. If you can't find the poppy seeds, just check at a big supermarket and you'll find the poppy seeds. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. And then I'm going to fold in using my spatula, just like that. Make sure they are evenly distributed in the batter. Once combined, I'm going to pick my baking tray and then add the batter in. Just like that. Make sure you get everything from the bowl because the cake is going to be amazing. Then I'm going to tap 2 times so that any air bubbles we can pop any air bubbles in the batter. Then I'm going to bake my cake for 15 minutes at my preheated oven. My lemon poppy seed cake is ready and it's looking amazing as usual. This smells so fresh and I love the outcome. So this is how my slice of cake is looking. You can spot the poppy seeds and the lemon zest and the flavor. Oh my god, it's just so lemony. It's so delicious. Yeah, so I hope you try out this recipe at home. Make for yourself this amazing lemon poppy seed cake. Catch you on my next one. Bye.